Yeah, we live at the Huncho headquarters. Huncho headquarters. Yep. When I'm in the building, ain't it right, Scott?
I'm just the assistant here.
Yes, sir. Legends. We are here at the headquarters. Nice. We got the shrine here. We got to get these to the coaches. It was like these look like some coaches.
Yep.
These kind of hard. You know what I'm saying? All the shoes, all the jerseys. My very first 2019 couches. You can sit, lay, flip, do it all. Yes, sir. My office. I'm having an office. I'm going to take them to the office. Yeah, we're doing our documentary too, by the way. All the Legends games, you know, ticket punched, and I won the MVP. Yes, sir, I did. JB, you know what I'm saying? Let's go. We're killing it. Oh, the Huncho office is in here. I'm having an office. I got an office, y'all. So what is conference room office? Yeah. That's hard. Oh man. God is the greatest, you know. Look at that, man. Look at all these kids. Look at all these kids, you know what I'm saying? We touch and impact, you know. Legends, we do it for the culture, we do it for the kids, we do it for the streets. Look at all these good moments. You can't beat that right there. Look at that, man. Look at that. Yes, sir. Huncho love the kids, man. Yeah, man.